I would like to now introduce Lynn Lavelle, who's our Director of Operations and Project Management for FormFast. Lynn will brief us on the functionality of FormFast resources. And Lynn, at this time, I'd like to turn the session over to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Laura. Good morning, all. I have the pleasure to brag a little bit about our FormFast resources and services available to our customers. So this may sound cliche, but I'm going to say it anyway. Your success is our success. We take our customer satisfaction with our products and services very seriously. We have resources available from pre-sale to post-implementation to ensure that your facility receives the information and assistance needed to make the best use of FormFast in your hospital. In our FormFast user group, you'll find a discussion forum where you can communicate with other FormFast users. Frequently asked questions, training videos, and much more can be found on the site. So if you're not already a member, we hope you'll join and invite you to register at formfastusers.com. We'd like you to know that we have workflow engineers available. These incredible resources provide consulting on hospital business intelligence and are proven experts in presenting ideas on how to achieve a high-performance hospital, from the business office all the way through to discharging patients, billing, RAC audits, and beyond. They're an invaluable resource when it comes to identifying process improvements that can be implemented by using FormFast workflow solutions. FormFast supplies a project manager and technical consultant team for every project. These individuals serve as your designated FormFast resources throughout the course of your implementation. They watch timelines, host meetings, prompt with gentle reminders as necessary, whatever it takes to keep your project on track. Various levels of service tracks are available to suit your facility's needs. A project consultant can provide on-site workflow analysis to review existing workflow processes, make suggestions for process improvements, outline scope and purchase products, and review best practices for project preparation. Our professional managed services are a very popular option right now. FormFast can manage various or all services for facilities that would prefer not to burden an already overworked IT department. Excuse me. Several levels of service are available, ranging from form development to fully outsourced technical service options. And then last but not least, there is a service we offer at no additional cost, and that is friendly customer service. If there's something more that we could be doing that would be beneficial to our product offerings and customer experience, we'd really appreciate that feedback. No need to wait for formalized events like user groups. We want you to know that we're all very approachable and accessible to our customers. At this point, I'll hand the conversation off to Clara Anderson, our Form Design Supervisor, to speak more on the value of our Form Design services.
Thanks, Lynn. Hi, everyone. Having a background of desktop publishing, I began with FormFast as a form designer using JetForm and MIPS, which I'm sure many of you may remember. And then we happily progressed to FormFast Form Designer. Loving this software, I continued designing forms and progressed to Form Design Trainer, which was great because I got to meet many of you out in the field, and now I am Form Design Supervisor. I still do forms, I still do trainings, and I'm happy to say that I've worked for the St. Louis corporate office for 11.5 years now. I am sure that you have discovered in your own facilities that the key element of the FormFast process is a form. And by virtue of that fact, our solution is FormFast Form Designer 5.1, soon to be 5.2. There is no denying that hospitals generate a large number of forms. In the past, facilities have purchased pre-made forms from outside vendors and stockpiled tons of pre-printed forms. Some facilities have even gone to the expense of developing and staffing an in-house print shop. Creation of forms always seem to fall on overworked individuals who are feeling the pressure of turning around new forms and form changes faster than they are able. When a form needs a change, all previously purchased forms needed to be tossed and new forms had to be developed and stockpiled all over again. Or a form change had to be requested and added to the pile of work requests in that in-house print shop. With FormFast, you can collect patient information and electronic signatures at registration and automatically print a complete admission packet, including forms to the nurse's station, the business office, and forms can even be faxed to the physician's office. With built-in logic, necessary forms are automatically printed based on patient information such as parental consent forms and additional language forms. The key component in all of this is still a form. Form Designer is a design tool that is simple enough for anyone to use. It is designed to make the form designer's job easier from beginning to end. FormFast Form Designer tool provides the fastest, easiest way for you to get your paper forms ready for the EMR, archiving systems, and electronic automation. Form Designer lets you create new forms, convert paper forms to editable, fillable digital forms, and easily maintain and update these digital assets. Existing forms are easy to scan and automatically convert to editable forms with optical character recognition, or OCR technology. The OCR technology recognizes not only text, but also the fields of a form and converts them to fields in electronic form that can be mapped to data and dynamically filled. In order to successfully start the process of streamlining applications such as patient registration admissions, risk management, medical records, physician orders, nursing notes, and so on, it all begins with the design of the form. FormFast Form Designer is the tool to use to design and maintain those forms. With FormFast, you will have form standardization, you will have authoritative version control, and you will enhance productivity. Turnaround on simple changes is fast, accurate, and end users will have the changes instantly upon upload. In FormFast Form Designer, we have 4 ways we can convert your forms to an electronic form in our form design software. We can create a form from scratch. We can scan the forms in and make them editable. We can use an image, TIFF, or PCX file, again, making it editable. And then we can convert existing electronic forms of different formats easily into FormFast Form Designer. Once forms are initially created in FormFast Form Designer, they are easier to manage and make changes at any time in a timely manner. For ease of scanning and archiving charts, records, and to help medical personnel to find items easily in a chart, it is best to standardize your form designs using a template. A template is a saved layout using the Designer Toolkit in FormFast Form Designer to be used to show where most pertinent information will be laid out on a form. The patient demographic information area, the form name, the form number, page 1 of whatever, revision date, document ID barcode are examples of the elements which FormFast would consider static locations on the design. Once your staff is familiar with this layout, they will quickly know where on the form to look for the specific information that they're looking for. At first, change will be hard, but they will get used to it, even your physicians. I've been told that they might be hard to convince, but it works. You do have another option. You can have our design team alleviate the task of form design altogether by letting FormFast do the designing and updating of all your forms for you. Wow, I think I just heard a collective sigh of relief from your staff. But FormFast is growing to meet your needs and has several options to offer you in regards to managing your forms. We can, 1, train your staff on how to use our Form Designer program to manage the forms yourself, or 2, have a skilled form design team create your forms to your specifications. We also understand that hiring and training staff to do forms is less than ideal for many facilities. That's why we're offering new ways for your forms to be managed. Our professional form design services program is affordable and turnaround time is quick and efficient. This program enables hospital employees to stay focused on the tasks at hand while forms are being designed for them by FormFast expert form designers. There are several options available with this service. FormFast Design will design and or maintain all forms for your facility. We design and then you take over from there. Or PFDS, which is Professional Form Design Services. FormFast designs and or maintains all the forms for your facility. We create the PCL, and jobs or merges will be written with logic, applying business rules which make the form intelligent, so labor and IT shortages become a non-issue. FormFast will even maintain your forms, making edits and changes to them throughout your contract, should you choose this option. All forms are maintained on your facility's FormFast server. And SAT, FormFast does all the work. All form development and storage is the responsibility of the crack FormFast team. All models do not require large capital outlay or long-term contracts. The new program could potentially be expensed from one's operating budget. There is a purchase model and a subscription model available. So, we have a solution for every hospital when it comes to managing your forms. FormFast can provide you the tools to design and maintain your hospital's forms yourself, or you can have our design team alleviate the task by designing and updating your forms, for which you would reduce staff overload and increase form efficiency. And now I'm going to pass it back to Laura.
Great. Thanks, Clara. That was really, really good insight. We appreciate your time today.